guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at me being all consistent or whatever with my uploads.
Wondering, Kamal, what is that big white pile lying behind you? Trust, it's not a dead body. Trust me, it's not. It's just all the books and shoes that my flatmate owns. Trust me, there are a lot. So I had to hide them somehow because I did not want them to be part of the video. But yeah, now that we have that out of the picture, let's get back to the video.
So as you guys know, today I will be recreating the look that I posted on my Instagram a couple of days back, which was the pink neon eye. Now, without spending too much time on it, you guys know neon is the it trend of the season.
Let's play a little game. How about you take a shot every time I say the word neon?
The number of things I've bought neon this season, it's not even funny. Even my AirPod case is neon. My phone cover is neon. I have so many neon clothes and shoes. So I am all about the neon trend. And therefore, when Huda Beauty decided to release her neon palettes, how could I not buy them? So yeah, these are the two palettes that I bought from Huda, the pink neon and the orange neon. I will be switching between these two. Now you don't have to invest so much and buy an expensive palette to achieve this look. If you already have a palette from, let's say, a Morphe or a Juvia's Place, then they would have colors like the one in the Huda's neon palette and you can recreate this look. I bought these because I'm a makeup hoarder and I like collecting makeup, and I mean, look at the packaging. It is so stunning. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So first I want to lay the base for all the neon colors to go into our eye. You could totally skip that step, but I'm doing it because I like things to be a lot more transitional and blended. So the first color that I'm going to use is Shy from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, which is the shade right here. And if you're wondering, Kamal, why are you looking like a Santa Claus? Well, that's because that we are using neon shades, and for any really bright eyeshadow to have a good pigment, they need to be slightly chalky. So I know there's going to be a fallout, and for that fallout to not ruin my makeup, I have put lots of setting powder under my eye. So yeah, let's get started. First, going in with that Shy shade in my crease. I'm just putting that color in my crease to create like a beautiful transition. Once our transition shade is laid, the next shade that I'm going to go in with is this corally pink shade right here from the Huda Beauty. This is the pink one, Pink Obsessions palette. So the color payoff of this palette is really good, and that's why I'm happy about spending my buck on the palette. If you dunk into a color, it does show off. So now that our transition shades are laid, I'm going to go into my orange Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, and now I'm going to lay this orange shade right here into my crease.
I can see that you're coming. Tell me who's that boy over there?
So we've laid the base for our transition color, and a little quick change of location because the place that I was sitting earlier, I just could not breathe because it was so hot, and it's really hot and humid in Delhi right now. So yeah, just okay, location change here, dekh lo. Now the transition shades are laid. Now it's time for the star of the show, which is this pink right here. So to lay this color, I will be using a flat definer eyeshadow brush. Just anything that's flat, that'll do the job. So I'm gonna go in with this shade first. Ooh, see, that's such an amazing, beautiful color. And I'm actually packing it. I'm not like blending it, I'm just stamping it all over my lid. I'll repeat the same step on the other eye. I'm just following the shape of my eye to slightly give this color a little more definition. Man, I love these eyeshadows so much. Do you guys see how pigmented they are and how beautiful they look like? They are stunning. Absolutely stunning. And now I'm gonna go in with this hot pink shade right here from the same palette, and I'm gonna take it on the same brush, and I'm gonna put this color in my outer corner.
don't know. I cannot call you sweet Maria. I cannot send you letters in the mail. Yeah, I just wanna know, can I be
Now after we blend this color, I'm gonna you can grab any small blending brush like the one I have here from Real Techniques. There's no shadow on this brush. I'm just gonna use it to blend my edges.
just wanna know if that's all.
And I'm holding this brush from its tip because I want the softest blend.
I'm just blinded by your eyes.
And now I don't know why. I just wanna. There's no reason for it. There's no logical explanation for doing what I'm doing, but I just wanna do it. Just to give.
Now you know how I end up making so many bad decisions in my life, because I never have a logical explanation for why I do what I do, but then I just do it, and yeah.
My eye look a little bit more depth. I will be going in with this purple shade from the pink palette, and now I'm just going in with the blending brush and blending it all till I feel like it looks cute. There is no eyeshadow on my brush. I'm just taking the tip of the brush and I'm blending it. So now that all our neon shades have been made, it's time for me to smoke out that lower lash line. And for smoking out my lower lash line, I will be using this lower lash line brush. And how we're going to go about smoking out lower lash line is I'm going to keep the darkest shade closest to my lower lash line, followed by the lightest, and then the least colorful one. So yeah, that's how we're going to go. So dust off any. As you can see, I'm keeping this color very, very close to my lower lash line.
Who's that boy over there? No, making eyes, making me
And I'm holding the brush again from its tip and just blending all the colors.
call you
And I'm marrying my outer corner with my lower lash line.
on my wall. I just wanna know.
So now that is done. Now it's time for us to go with the next shade, which is this shade right here. I will be going in with my pencil brush and just so now that our lower lash line is nice and smoked out, I'm quickly going to go behind the camera, finish the rest of my face, and see you guys in like 3, 2, 1.
Okay, starting this clip onwards, there are gonna be a lot of weird cuts. That's because my house help was in and she was doing a lot of movement and I had to crop her out of the video. So I'm sorry for those uneven edits.
So my face is almost done. I have contoured, I've put blush, and now I'm just gonna grab a pencil brush like this one, spritz some my Estee Lauder makeup setting spray, and now I'm gonna take the really neon cream shade right here and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner.
I know that lash is wonky. Trust me, I fix it later. It's just, I don't know, lashes are difficult, man. And now just grab any black eyeshadow and just slightly smoke out your lower lash line.
For my lips, I will be using a very, very neutral shade, which is called Close by Kylie Cosmetics. And for my lips, there's actually a little trick for you guys that I'm going to show you shortly. But let's first put on a new lipstick. I'm actually going to be grabbing this shade and I'm going to be using my finger and putting this on my lips. So yeah. So once that's on, now just for the center of my lip, I'm going to be going in with this pink. And now to set my face, I will be using my Estee Lauder makeup setting spray. And for highlight today, I will be using Prosecco Pop. So now the lips are done, highlight is done, everything is done. Now for our very last step, one more spritz of my makeup and spray. I'm just gonna quickly go behind the camera, change into my neon top and be right back.
On my wall, I just wanna know, can I?
So guys, this concludes this very neon, very bright pink makeup look. If you guys like it, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, man, if you want to. I mean, I'm giving you 8 trend makeup looks. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.